Out of the way. All right, let's talk about how to defend against a headlock. We got somebody using you in a headlock, grabbing you. Headlock's a pretty bad situation because if you are in a fight and somebody headlocks you, there's a lot they can do with you once they get you in a headlock. They can take you, run you in the wall. They can start punching you from here, punching you here, choke you. I mean, kind of lock you up pretty well, break your neck, put you in one of these here. From here, they can go to the ground and start breaking your neck. It's a lot of stuff that they can do once they get you into a headlock, aka guillotine. There are 3 kinds of guillotine. We'll talk about them one at a time. Okay, so here, this is number 1. So they got you here. It's pretty bad one where they can punch you, they can ram you in the wall in a street fight, ram you in the side of a car, whatever. If you're fighting with his buddy, like, come on here, laddie, for a second. So, if stand in front of him and like you're talking, like you're arguing, give me back or whatever. And these guys are
mess you up.
So right from here, and we see that, and I come here and I grab him from here. Now I got him. Now my friend, you know, he can actually start beating him up. There was some puny little lousy shots, man. That's not what I taught you. Get out of the thing. Okay. Okay, poor Austin's got to be my test dummy every time. He's such a good kid. All right, so right from here, we got him in a headlock. He's in pretty bad shape, right? So there's several things you could do. I'm going to show you where I can break this headlock. There are several different headlocks. This is the first one we'll do right now. It's number 1, the basic number 1. He got me from here. I could turn into him from here and actually even just come out of here. Okay, that is plain and simple. Okay, so right from here, I turn my head into him. Come on here, take a look with the camera. From here, I can get my hand on his back. From here, okay, and then I can just push him away. Depending upon the size and the strength of your opponent. 1, you can get out of that easily. If you have to, if he's not got that lock in pretty tight. Okay, come back on again, Austin. Okay. Another one you could do is from here. You could do a little skin grab. So right from here, grab his skin and shake it a bit. Very painful. Okay, that's a skin grab. So right from here, he got me in there. I can do 2 skin grabs. Okay, on thigh and side of the body, and push him out of my way. Okay, chuck him out of there. So that's pretty painful. Grab the skin. Grab the skin. This doesn't require much strength, especially against a person who's twice your size and a bigger, stronger guy. Just grab the skin right inside the thigh, in the body, the fat, the skin, shake it. He kind of loses his grip. Get him out of there, okay? Come back again. Another one you can do solidly, you can start hammering in the legs and then get him out of there. Okay? Come back again. That's very simple in Austin.
Yes, sir.
Go again. So right from here, I got in my hand, I push him out. Right from here, before anything starts going real crazy, skin grab, out, knee up his ass. Okay? Come back again. Another one, go for his balls. He danced there pretty well, Austin. I've never seen you dance that well before. That's a good dance, mister. Okay, come back again. So right from there, you go down, grab his balls, and his grip is automatically loosened because he loves his precious 2 jewels. Right? He's not gonna mess with that one. Okay, another one is you can start, hit him straight in the face, hit him in the nose, right from here, hit him in the nose, hit him in the eyes, hit, strike, strike, finish the fight, okay? You see when I punched him in the rib cage, I punched him in the kidneys, and I punched him in the back of the head, right? So because he's trying to really get you. Now this you can do against somebody who's really stronger and bigger than you. Okay, you can start smacking them hard because if you're a smaller guy, weaker guy, if you're a girl against a bigger, stronger guy, then that's what you do, okay? One more thing, if you're untrained to throw punches, don't throw punches. Do not throw punches. Do not throw punches. You will hurt yourself, you will break your wrist, you will break your knuckles. So right from here, if you have to get out of here, also, a lot of times I'm not even putting my lock in here, okay? So I'm going to put a lock in there. Now, you can strike, or From here, use a palm strike. That palm strike will hurt as good. Okay, then you can shoot another palm strike in the face, getting him out of there. Now then you got two options. Get back in the fight or get out of the fight. Whatever you want to do. Okay, so that concludes against head chokes number 1. Next time what we will do is we'll do against a different head choke. Today we had this. The next time we'll work on another head choke from the front. Okay, then we'll work on another head choke, which is the worst, is this one here. And that's a killer, okay? So we got 3 different head chokes. We'll do standing and we'll do something on the ground. So that concludes this one for side head choke. Train well, be well, put likes on my video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, send it to your buddies, subscribe to my channel. Stay strong, be good.